Hey everyone, today we have the turkey. We have ground turkey here. We have some onions, garlic, and some bacon bits. We already have the bacon fried, and as you can see, it's still in the chopper to get it a little bit smaller. We either gonna do patties or rolls or balls. Undecided which one I'm gonna pick as it, but today we're gonna do some ground turkey. So let's see what we decide to do. So we decided on going with the turkey burgers. We're gonna go ahead and start the pan and get that started. We already have the margarine in the pan right here. Gotta wait for that to heat up a little bit. Then we start adding the turkey burgers to it. It's a little different from the turkey burgers because the turkey burgers had in egg, had in parmesan, breadcrumbs, red onions, bacon, and all those things. This is a little different because it is turkey balls and it has in the turkey, of course, the onion, the garlic, parsley, thyme, oregano, honey barbecue sauce, no eggs, and a smidge of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs that are plain, which is a little different than making the turkey burger, which is a little different. We'll just go ahead and grab one here, put that in, start pouring our tea here. We started off with the butter because the thing is when you're using the oil, it's going to get real oily, and you don't want to start it off like that because in the end you're going to probably do some type of sauce like how you would. This is for people who don't want to do the ground turkey because make some turkey burgers. This is a little bit different than making a turkey burger. And one more, put on the side there, a little bit more. So we'll go ahead and let that cook. You're actually going to use a spoon to turn it to actually keep that round shape. Okay, she's already ready to turn. You take your spoon and just rotate it so to actually get off of the burner and let it high in the air so to get it cooked to the next side. Very nice color. See how dark that is? Okay, so here we have the turkey burgers that's a little bit more cooked down. You can see we have a nice golden brown color. Over here we have some broccoli going. And over here we just started the part to actually make the brown rice. So it takes some time for it to actually get a color. At this point you want to put some kind of sauce with it. You can use tomato sauce, you can use ragu or ragu sauce. It all depends. Some people can go as far as using ketchup since, tomato sauce, ketchup. It all depends on your preference. But for the turkey balls, you can actually incorporate something like bourbon sauce if you have it, or bourbon barbecue sauce, or sweet honey mustard sauce, or sweet honey sauce. Because with the turkey, it tends to have a little light taste, so you want to go for something with a little bit bolder flavor because it doesn't have a lot of umph like something else you would make. Like say for instance, if you were making beef or meatballs, then it might be a little bit different in terms of taste. So this is what it looks like right now. For add the sauce and add the broccoli. And of course, just started a pot to make the brown rice.